Hello everyone, this is ThePandaPhotographer, and I know this might not seem important to you, but it is. Gaming mouse pads based on quality, fabric, texture, stitching is important. I purchased a mouse pad that was LED RGB, as you can see here. I'm going to show you the different colors and different modes, but first, please do subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell icon. If you want to support the channel financially, there are the financial links, PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. I here teach a class of photography, but also a YouTube audience. How to better your YouTube studio. This is one of the items. But this is also going to help you when it comes down to smooth editing and better accuracy. Now, the brand, TYNIKA, did not ask me to do this. I purchased this with my own money for 16 bucks. So take this with a grain of salt. Now, it is smooth to the touch when editing. I noticed that because my last old gaming pad had an issue where it actually took off the Logitech surrounding pads and the inside here. It took it off. As you can see, they're no longer there. That's what my old pad did. It took it off, and now I'm just stuck with like these four main pads that give it its texture and smoothness to the experience, right? But with this mouse pad, I noticed a big difference. Last night I was editing my website and edited Google Analytics and Google optimization. And I noticed, I was like, wow, this is pretty accurate. Smooth. Nice. I know it's new, right? But even when the old mouse pad was new, I had a little tough time getting the accuracy. It was like a little difficulties there. So, guys, please, I stress enough. A good mouse pad is hard to find, but this one was not what I expected. You know, I wasn't looking for, honestly, I wasn't looking for the quality of texture. I was looking for something cool. But I got everything in one take. But there is a side effect to this product. Can I emphasize it? Great. Right now, it's pulsating in a color of multiple colors, right? But try to understanding the modes is kind of complicated because the modes, honestly, it doesn't come with a manual. It came in the box, but it doesn't come with a manual. So 1, 2, 3, when it like pulsates and then blinks, as you can see, it's doing this blinking effect. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and you get solid colors. You do that 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then you get mix of colors as you go along. But if you press it 1, 2, 3, you go back into the pulsate mode, which I like the most. So I had to understand this myself, and as a YouTuber, as a photographer, as a documentarian, as a travel consultant, I need to understand my gear. I got a lot of gear, and this here was the most interesting one because I had to keep understanding how I was pressing it, when I was pressing it, what mode is before what mode, and it seems like I like this mode the most. I like how it pulsates. I can see it in the dark when I'm editing because I like to portray colors accurately when I'm editing my photos or my video. You guys understand, like the red and green light helps me also color and color grade better. But with that said, everyone, if you guys are curious about these lights, I will leave them in the link in the description below. They are the RGB Queen 10 LED lights. These are more powerful than the lights that are actually doing the aesthetics in the background. Trust me. super bright, and I don't even have this at the highest setting. I got this on the lowest setting. So with that said, everyone, the mouse pad works very nicely and ideal. It is USB operated, but I have a 60-watt raw power USB port, so it's constantly getting power to this 24/7 unless I unplug it. But with that said, everyone, other than that, yeah, if you want to purchase this product, I am an Amazon affiliate. The link is in the description below, so go check it out. And so it's to grab if you choose to buy it. But they have different sizes, keep that in mind. They even have a long one for your keyboard and mouse, which many gamers prefer over single mouse pad. I, as an editor and videographer and photographer, want the single mouse pad because I only play games when I need to, and I only have a laptop at this time, so it doesn't mean that I should have the 30 by, 30 by 15 by 15? Yeah, I don't need that. I need this. This is more ideal. This has enough coverage and enough space. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. As I said, please hit the notification buttons if you want to see more uploads and more live streams. But with that said, EC photography, videography, and repeat. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.